So we are starting it again. It got stopped. Okay, the interview dress code for males is very straightforward, like wearing a suit, opt for solid colors, choose a line and curtain collared shirt in suiting colors. Okay, like white, blue, gray, and other pastel shades you can take. Do not wear silk shirts as they are totally out of line for a professional look. Make sure that the outfit is ironed and there are no stains. Okay, when you go for an interview, that there should not be any kind of stains on your clothes, either be it shirt or your trouser. For the bottoms, choose a pair of dark colored regular fitting trousers or chinos. Do not wear a very tight fitting clothes. Avoid printed shirts or pants. Complete your formal look with a decent leather belt. You should have a decent leather belt, and belt color should be matched with the color of your shoes. If you are wearing a black shoes, then your belt also should be black. If you are wearing a brownish shoes, then your belt should be brownish. Okay, now it comes to your footwears. Wear well fitted formal shoes with or without laces. It's good that you have laces in your shoes, and it also work if you don't have laces in your shoes. Generally, candidates opt for black wears, well-fitted formal shoes with or without laces. And generally, candidates opt for black shoes also. However, you can choose brown shoes provided they go with the outfit. They should, make a match with your clothings. Polished shoe speaks volume. Polished shoes speaks a lot about your personality, about your careness. So make sure shoes are without a specks of dust on them, and do not wear sneakers. It's expected that you do not go with the sneakers for an interview. So this was about the main outfit, the dressing sense, that is your shirt and pant, and about your footwears. The accessories: wear a simple wristwatch. You should not wear a digital wristwatch. Okay, this should be either metallic or should have leather strip. Avoid using fancy analog sports watches. You can wear a tie if you want, but generally people don't wear a tie these days. Earlier ties were worn or ties was a fashion, but now it's not. Specifically, if we talk about the companies into IT, people just goes with t-shirts and jeans also for the interview. But if you are applying for a marketing or people management or sales kind of profile, then you can wear a tie, you can wear good formal shoes, and you can dress properly. Okay, now it comes to personal hygiene. Along with your skill set, your presentation matters a lot. It's essential to look smart with the right dressing and proper hygiene. Okay, so with the appropriate dressing, you have to maintain a professional haircut, well-groomed facial hairs, trimmed nails, etc. Okay, so it's about personal hygiene. The question isn't always about what to wear for an interview. It's how it suits to you. It's also how to look the part. Bad breath can set you back enormously. So clean your teeth and use good Colgates while when you go for an interview, and also you can take some least fragranced dendros or deos also you can take. Okay, also make sure you have no body odor coming from you. Use deodorants, and very mist deodorants you should use, not heavy deodorants that would leave a negative impression. Sometimes if you are, say for example, your interviewer to whom you're going to give interview is allergic to any kind of deodorants, then it would be a cause of your rejection to you. Now it comes about women's dress code or etiquettes. Hairs, you should have simple hairs. Makeup, go with overhead on makeup and go for more natural look. Jewelry, a small chain, a pair of smallest earrings will work. Nails, neatly manicured, clean nails should be there. Perfume, yes, you can use, but very light. A very little of cologne can be okay. Footwears, don't pick something that you can't walk in. Okay, if you don't like the heels, stick to something low and basic. Okay, accessories, carry at least accessories as you can. Leather is always a nice choice, so pick more modern. Pick something classy. If you don't wear a suit, it's good if you go with a suit for an interview. The main outfit for a female, women have extensive range of clothing to choose from, which means more confusion. You can choose a solid colored blazer that you can pair with a skirt or trouser. Black is the classic choice for skirts or trousers. Blouses or shorts should be, simple without unnecessary frills. Choose from pastel and neutral colors to make a statement. Gray, white, and light blue shades are the most preferred shirts colors. To be confident, make sure your upper body inners are not visible. Okay, wear a commegal over the inner for a proper coverage. If you are sitting for a PSU or government body interview, you can opt for a simple salwar kameez sari. Sari is always considered as good wearing or good outfit for a female, but in some of the private jobs it is not. Like for a receptionist, if you are going for a traditional company or any product-based company, then you can choose sari. And if you're going for any IT or such kind of firms where different kind of attire is required, there you can go with jeans, pant, t-shirt, or some formal suits, formal pant and shirts like men just goes. Footwear, for your safety, do not wear high heels. Wear comfortable and formal moccasins, bellies or sandals. If you're wearing leather footwear, they must be polished nicely. Make sure your footwear doesn't make knocking sounds on the floor while walking. Okay, and the accessories, try to keep the number of accessories to minimum as you can. Wear simple jewelry like small stud earrings. You can wear a simple chain if you have. A simple wristwatch is sufficient as hand accessories. Bangles and bracelets should be avoided. Be simple as possible. No fancy hairpins and clips should be used. Okay, so these are the accessories what you can carry with you and what should not carry. Personal hygiene makeup, make sure your nails are trimmed. If you keep your nails long, they must be filled and manicured. No glitter nail paints should be applied to your nails when going for an interview. Use light and nude shades. They must be washed, combed nicely.